Hello friends, once again this is me Anand personality. In this video I will share some leaks, rumor, specification and price about Redmi 10 Pro and Redmi 10 Pro Max. Let's start, but firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max share mostly the same specification expect from the primary camera sensor. Here is some highlights about the Redmi Note 10 Pro and 10 Pro Max. The 10 Pro start at Rs 17,000 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max starts at 19,000. Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max have got a new dark nebula color variant in India. The two phones are launched in India in March and initially come in three colors. The new dark nebula add to option and fits with the bluish purple space themes that Xiaomi is going for with its Redmi Note 10 series. The Redmi Note 10 has recently got a cosmic purple color option or the similar bluish purple. Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Redmi Note 10 Pro 6GB plus 128GB storage model, while the 8GB plus 128GB model costs Rs 18,000. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is available for 19,000 for the 6GB plus 128GB model and 21,000 for 8GB plus 128GB model. Both phones are now available in four colors: dark blue, glacier blue, vintage bronze, and the newly launched dark nebula. The new color option for the both model is available for purchase in India via Mi India website and Amazon. Redmi Note 10 Pro specification: the dual SIM Nano Redmi Note 10 Pro runs on the Android 11 based MIUI 12. It features a 6.67-inch HD Super Amoled display with HDR10 support, TUV Retinal low blue light certification, and 1200 nits of peak brightness. It's protected by a Gorilla Glass 5. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 SoC, coupled with an Adreno 618 GPU, up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable via micro SD card. Connectivity options include 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS-A, GPS infrared, IR and USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. It's back a 5020 mAh battery with 33 watt fast. The specification of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max shares a lot of its specification with the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The only change in the camera department as the Pro Max model features 108 megapixel primary Samsung HM2 camera sensor that replaced the 64 megapixel camera of the Pro model. Hope you like this information. See you in the next video. Bye bye.